Guys, welcome back to another video. So I just got some affordable skincare products I've been using for a while, so I'll just show you the products I got. Please keep on watching. I was supposed to film this video when I was getting these products, but I was told they don't allow camera there. So anyway, whatever, I'm just going to show you the product I got. So first of all, I got this micellar water. This was the most affordable I saw there, so I just grabbed it. This is micellar water. You can use this to take off your makeup at the end of the day before you do your skincare routine. So I also got this product, this facial wash, simple moisturizing facial wash. It's actually very affordable products. I think Simple, their products are usually very affordable. I just decided to try out this facial wash. I've never used this product before, so I decided to try it out. So I picked this one. I just liked it because of the moisturizing effect. I also got this I've been using this hyaluronic acid for a while now, so I got a new pack. The ordinary hyaluronic acid is very good for the skin. Actually, it makes your skin look supple. It leaves your skin looking very, very hydrated. So I actually like this product. That's why I got a new one. I also got the ordinary niacinamide. This product is also very, very nice. It gives you a smooth skin. It makes your skin look very supple and very smooth. It gives you a smooth texture on your skin. I actually recommend this product because I've been using it for a while now. I also got this ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. These products I actually use it for my exfoliation. This is what I use for my exfoliation on my face. So this product will give you a baby skin. I actually recommend this one too. Another thing I've been using for a while, I got a new one too. This vitamin C face serum. It's actually very nice. It gives you an even tone, you know. Like I said, these are affordable products, easily get if you want to start your skincare journey. I've just been using it for a while. I feel like I should try another one, so I'm going to do that and try. I'm going to try another vitamin C face serum. Got this aloe vera gel. It's actually good to hydrate your skin. It's something you can easily get. I think it was, I can't remember the price now, but it's very, very affordable. Most of them are very affordable. I'm going to link all of these in my description box. I also got this simple hydrating light moisturizer. I've never used this moisturizer. This is my first time trying this moisturizer out. When I read the reviews, it's something that will appeal to my skin. It's something that I would like. That's why I just got this. So this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but it's just something, it's just product I'm trying out for myself. So that's why I'm just trying to show you guys affordable product that I use for my own skin. So if it's something that you would like, you can also try it out. This is what it looks like inside the bottle. I also bought this Clean Doctor Sun Protection Cream. It says it gives high protection. The SPF is 80 UVA UVB. I had a problem with this product. When I bought it, I didn't do a patch test on my skin. I was supposed to do a patch test, but when I got to, I found out that it leaves like a white cast. So it's not something that I think I will get again. I don't think after I'm done with this, I don't think I will get. I'm even thinking of even getting another. I don't like any sunscreen that leaves a white cast. It's not something that I like. I don't like it at all. It leaves a white cast. This is something that I don't fancy. I'm not going to get another bottle of this. I also got this Blue Seal Vaseline. I use this to moisturize my lips. I also got this Dove Nourishing Silk Body Wash. It claims to give silky soft skin. So I've been using Dove body wash for a while, but I've never tried this particular one. So this is my first time trying this particular one. The one I've been using is not this particular body wash. So I'm trying this particular Dove body wash for the first time, but I use Dove body wash religiously. That's what I use. That has been my body wash for a while. So I always, anytime I go, I always get a particular type. I've never gotten this particular Nourishing silk body wash. So I just decided to get this one and try it out. If you want to see how I use this product in my routine, maybe I might make a video on that. I also got this Nivea silk mousse. So I've never used mousse for my skin before, so I want to try it out. And then I got this Nivea body lotion, even and radiant body lotion. This is what it looks like. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. I just got these products for my personal use to try them out. Actually, the body lotion I've been using for a while now has been the Dove body lotion. If you check my previous video, you'll see the body lotion I got a while back and I've been using for a while. So I just decided to try this one out. So I will do a proper video on how I use these products. Next is this cotton baby oil. I actually got this oil to be using as my body oil. That's what I've been using it for a while. I actually got this, is not a new product. I got it like I think 2 weeks ago, or no, like a month ago. So I've been using it as my body oil. That's what I use for my body oil. Yeah, I actually got it because it's very affordable. I just incorporated it in my my routine. So all these products, if you want to know how I use them in my daily routine, I'll do, maybe after this video I'll do another video on how I use these products daily. Then for my deodorant, I actually swear by this deodorant. This is what it's called, Forever deodorant. It's very, very nice. I think they are also fake in the market. So if you are getting this product, make sure you get the original. You smell so good throughout the day if you use this deodorant. That's why I swear by this deodorant. It's very nice, it's very long lasting and very affordable. So get yourself a very affordable deodorant and stop moving around smelling like that. Okay, this is the much I can do for this video. I promise to show you guys, I don't know if it's my next video but I promise to show you guys how I incorporate these products in my skincare routine. My skincare routine is actually very simple, so I'll just do a simple skincare routine on how I use this product. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.